Here we got a 67 Dodge Dart. You can tell it's like pretty heavily modified, and it's got a HEMI in it. Not the new type HEMIs, the kind of the muscle car era. And it's got AC. Now, back when you used to get a HEMI from the factory, AC was not available. You did not get AC. But you can tell it's a HEMI. Oh, it's got dual plug heads, dual plugs for each freaking, holy smokes, man. This is a really custom jobber here, man. 2 4-barrels, Willwood brakes, manual brakes, but Willwood, probably old, I'm sure they're old disc. You can see the Heim joints going around there. Coated pipes. Dual fans on a very thick aluminum radiator, which you would need for here with the air conditioning. Great mileage, great gas mileage miles per gallon, of course. Yeah, sure. But it looks a lot different from a 67 Dart with all the bumper tucked in slightly and all painted the same color with the grill. Full roll cage in there, and you can pretty much tell this thing's been worked over like an SOB with a 5-speed. See that? Pretty sweet, man. Full race harnesses on racing bucket seats. Just 2 seats, got the speakers in the back. You need them big speakers to drown out that motor. Check it out. That's pretty sweet, man. Never saw this car here either. It's amazing how many cars show up that are brand new to this event. Some of them are the same cars, but then there's always cars here I've never seen before. So, of course, we got a nice mural here. I'm sure it does take off like that too. Another shot from the inside. And I got to keep talking over this music and stuff. And look at how shifter is. That's sweet too, man. That's a cool shifter handle. Brings it in a little closer. That is sweet, man. Got a full modern gauge instrumentation on the dash. It's like made in there from factory. But that's all aftermarket gauges, all high quality stuff. So this vehicle has Chrysler performance parts that increase vehicle emissions. Regular burnouts are required to maintain best vehicle performance. Okay. Idle settings. Oh, 900 in neutral. Yeah, there you go. So. Again, another look at, excuse me, ma'am. Sorry. Another look at, there's the motor here. But this is not just an ordinary HEMI. I don't know what's in it, but obviously the dual plug setup had a lot of headworks to install that in there. And, when you figure you got a 425 horse stock HEMI from this era that really puts out about 500, this thing's probably putting out, I don't know what, probably hundreds more than that, because it's got a lot better stuff in it. You can see just from, a handy little gauge, fuel pressure gauge coming into the carburetors. They're thirsty carbs, that's for sure.